cooking channel. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be making tahini chicken wings. So let's get started. I have 1.33 pounds of chicken wings. I have added a teaspoon and a half of sea salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, tablespoon of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of tahini to this bag. So I'm gonna let it marinate overnight, and then I will bake the wings the next day. I placed the wings in the refrigerator, so I will see you later, okay? All right, bye-bye. I just took the wings out of the refrigerator, and I just added them to this tray, and I'm gonna place them in a 350-degree oven, and I'm gonna let them bake for 60 minutes, and then I'll let you see what they look like. These are the tahini wings that I'm baking today. Hi, I just finished up the tahini chicken wings, and I'm going to show you what they look like. They taste very good, and I'm going to show you what they look like. They really are some good wings, so let me show you that. Chicken wings. This is what it's made with. It's a very easy recipe. So let me taste it. Yes, I tasted them earlier, but I wanted you to see me taste the food on camera. So it was really hot. Ooh. See? Ooh, it's really hot. Let's try to take a bite of it. They are so good. Very good. Very, very good. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day. And thank you for watching.